So, and then we're talking about how to structure your question. You need a subject, like who. You need a verb. What is the action? Like summarize, generate, edit, problem solve, suggest, and adjectives and adverbs, right? So this is how you basically uh, create more context. Generate a list of healthy meals versus generate a list of um, delicious healthy meals, right? It's going to change your answer. So just play with it, and you will see that those three elements of sentence building are key: subject, verb, and adjectives. And with that, we are basically done with this episode. Please, if you like this, subscribe. We're going to be going back to a more specific context. I like to hear from you. If you have very specific questions, if you want to learn more specific about a function, industrial engineering or food safety or quality or lean manufacturing or chaining, anything you like in the context of what you do, feel free to reach out, like, subscribe, and thank you very much for your time. See you again very soon. Bye.